What's good, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Krizbeatz, the drummer boy, and you are welcome right back to World Wave Radio, where we bring the world to you. I'm so hyped up right now, and the reason is today we are going to be exploring a new tool. What do I mean by that? Today I'm going to be showing you how I discovered a new type of Afrobeat. Of course, Afrobeat has been, the concept of Afrobeat, has been around for such a very long time. But today I'm going to be taking you on a new journey of a new special type of Afrobeat. With that said, let's get straight into the door and let's start making it. Wire! Welcome back to the studio, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, so before we start, you want to pay attention to the most important thing. The most important thing is the mind behind what I'm trying to create. You don't have. Look at the idea behind what I'm doing. So with that said, let's check out the drums of this new genre I'm telling you about. Yes, as simple as that. That is the drum. So it's kind of like in between Amapiano-ish, but not Amapiano. So the title of the genre is called Afro Movie. Why? Because it takes film scoring. I did it in the video I posted on Krizbeatz official channel on how I made Get Up, a song by Yemi Alade. You can check that out if you've not seen it. So yes, it uses film scoring and Afrobeats drums. Let me just take you straight into it. And I played a lot of strings from this this Roland Juno DS. So in case you're looking at recreating it, you can use any of the Spitfire strings to create it. So it mixes Afrobeats drums and theme strings. Originally the drums I have on this thing is like this. Yeah, this is what we had, which is the normal bounce that, or maybe an Amapiano or something we have. Of course, this song is not done. So what I did is to come here and add this thing. Let me solo it. Is to add this. Yes. You see the movement and everything, but like under the song, that is exactly what I feel like. If you can add things that people are not expecting in your song, it will create that mood that you're expecting. So imagine you hear something like this in a song about to start. Immediately your mind is going to, ooh, what movie is that? Especially if you now have like a drone sounding bass to go. I know, right? It's sick. So yes, you can always look for different ways to do it. Okay, so let's listen to what it sounds like with the drums, Yes, a lot of you that know me, I do a lot of film scoring. I've done a number of movies, both for Amazon movies, Netflix movies. Yes, I've done a lot of movie stuff. So I was thinking the other day that, okay, what if I can merge the two together, which is, how my brain works. My brain is constantly looking for searching for new waters, if you know what I mean, constantly looking for the best way to get things done more effectively, if you know what I mean. So yes, I discovered this and it sounded dope, and I did it in the Yemi Alade song. So if you've not heard that, maybe I'll leave a link to that other video here, or maybe we'll post the video on this page. Maybe we'll do a fresh review on this page. Yes, this is supposed to be a really quick tutorial, and let me just go through what I did with the drums. So I made these drums on FL Studio, and the first thing I did was this, which is a normal break beat. You know, so when you mix a break beat and a normal Afro pat, 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 pat together, you get that. Highly saturated, by the way. Yes, with a log drum. And then, yes, with a shaker. Bro, if we had left this like this, it would still be a banger. It would still be a banger. So yes, I would like for you guys to try this out. Different ways that you can do this. The strings, they have different feel. I played it live here, so it might be hard to recreate, but you can always get something that sounds as close as this. It feels like a Merlin movie. So... with the drums is something else. And when I had this idea, I had to call Myron. Myron is a very, very talented singer, to come into the studio and try something out on the record. I'm so excited, which is why I'm making the video for you guys to see it. If not, I have some things, other things lined up that we can always talk about. But yeah, I love the song. I posted it a couple of days ago, and yeah, here we have it. Darling, 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 baby, my queen, my queen, my queen, my queen. After she hit on my color, she tell me money color, biggie color. Honey, walla, walla. Then I hit a photo. Hiding from me now, you color. She you hiding from me now, you color. Show and then to merge the vocals and the theme strings that I created, I did this vocal sample under here. Shama Judy, that's my baby girl. Why not baby girl? Yes, and don't forget, I had to put people talking under there. This. So. Yes, the song is not done, the beat is not done. I will still add a lot of things into different parts of the drums, into different parts of the instrumentals. But yeah, I was just super excited and I felt like sharing it with you guys. Yes, here you have it. You can start implementing these. Take different elements from different parts of the world. I don't know, maybe from where you are from. If you are from like Nigeria, for instance, take Fuji drums, put it on different things. I want to hear crazy things. So yes, I'm going to start making beat reviews every Sunday live on YouTube. It's going to be live on YouTube. So I'll give you the updates properly on this channel. So yes, leave a comment in the comment section if you found any of these tips helpful. If you like anything that we've said, that we've spoken about on this channel, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next class. Love.